So, I'll hear your insurance. Will you get me a cheap deal on the cab?
Of course. And if you buy car insurance or other selected products, you could win in our daily giveaway. Simple.
Bolder, sleeker, and sportier than ever before. The all-new Corolla Hatch has been completely reimagined inside and out. And it's now packed with even more value. With 4.9% comparison rate across the range with Toyota Access, providing you flexible options to suit your lifestyle. All-new Corolla for the bold. Oh, what a feeling. Toyota.
Sup, Carl? You heard about this Belong mobile plan? You get 15 gigs of data a month and unlimited calls and texts to 36 selected countries for only $40 a month. Plus, Belong has unlimited data banking, which means all your unused data rolls over and over and over. Oh. Belong's 15 gig mobile plan with unlimited calls and texts to 36 selected countries, all for just $40 a month. Search Belong.
You gotta suck it up, eh?
It's a dataful life.
What's about to happen has never been attempted live.
Open heart surgery performed live.
Renowned Australian heart surgeon Dr. Nikki Sam brings you the life-saving operation live.
We have to stop the heart to repair it. Then start it beating again.
Over 2 incredible nights in February. Operation Live. Coming to 7.
Okay, Coach, Sawyer. Last Sunday, I saw the team on the field play as hard as they could.
You do.
We lost. Not because of effort or desire, but because of lack of leadership, lack of trust. One of those issues has been resolved. But leadership means nothing if the team doesn't believe in each other. Players spend years together before they develop trust in one another. I'm asking you to do it a week. Not a reasonable request, but these aren't reasonable times. Now, I know you all have concerns about this Sunday. When a real man admits his fears, that's what I'm asking you to do here tonight. Who wants to start? Fears, let's talk about it. Fears.
I'm scared of spiders, Coach.
Well, that's not what I'm
Me
asking.
too, Coach. I'm afraid of spiders too, Coach. Yeah. That damn spider tricked me too, fellas.
Well, I didn't mean that. What I'm talking about.
Especially in the bedroom, when you're supposed to crawl up your arm.
And then he crawled on you now.
Damn. Well, thanks, Jimbo. You can just rock me to sleep tonight.
Okay, that's great, but that's not what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about is what scares us on the field.
You mean like spiders on the field?
Get beyond the spiders, please.
Bees.
Bees.
Bees. That was not a bee.
Anybody here afraid of anything other than insects? Huh? Come on.